Hi, just wanted to show you these potatoes which I've got growing in bags. Great way of growing them if you haven't got a lot of space. These are Arran Pilot, which is an early variety. They've grown really quickly this year. So these are just in a loam based compost in small potato sacks which don't hold a massive amount of compost, probably 5 litres or so, maybe a bit more. One tuber in each bag, in the bottom of each bag, and I'll gradually earth them up. That is, gradually fill up the bags as they grow. So I start off with just perhaps an inch or two of compost over the, or loam-based compost over the top. Bit of potato fertiliser, which I like to sprinkle on because they're a really hungry crop. And then as they grow, I've gradually put another layer of compost, a bit more potato fertiliser until we've filled the bags. And there we go, and they're growing really well. Put them in March. They should be ready to harvest, I would think probably by the end of June, July, but you don't have to. You can just take the tops off, dry the bags off, leave the potatoes in there if you want to, and just harvest them as you need them. So you don't even have to harvest them all at once unless you need the space for something else. So great way of growing spuds. Also, if you use earlies and you do it early, these, as I say, were actually planted in March. They'll be harvested, or at least the tops will be gone by the time we get to potato blight time later in the summer. So by the time we get into July, August, the tops will be gone and there'll be no danger of them getting blight, which is another great reason for growing them. But do give them plenty of food, plenty of water. As I say, these have had a lot of potato fertiliser as they were topped up, and now that the bags are full, I'll also give them a tomato feed every time I give them a water, probably half strength tomato feed every time, and I'll water them really regularly if we don't get any rain.